minus 10 years just by reducing puffiness. Most people don't realize they can carry 3 to 4 liters of excess fluid every single day. That heaviness in your face, your belly, your legs, it's not fat. It's water your body can't drain properly, and that's your body asking for movement. I'll show you gentle exercises that activate your hips, shoulders, neck, and calves. These are the areas where major lymph nodes are located. When they get compressed from sitting too long, lymph flow slows down. Circulation gets blocked and puffiness appears all over the body and even on the face. By moving softly, we unlock those blocked pathways, boost lymph flow, and help the body flush out what it doesn't need. No gym, no pressure, no pain, just awareness and movement. You don't even need to stand up. Do it with me right now. A few minutes and your body will thank you. You'll feel lighter, sharper, and more alive. Stay with me.